Imagine you accidentally delete a critical blob or an entire container. Without recovery options, your data is lost forever. That's where soft delete steps in. It acts like a recycle bin for your Azure storage, giving you a safety net by retaining deleted data for a specified period. When you delete a blob from your Azure storage account, it doesn't vanish right away. Instead, it moves into a soft deleted state, almost like placing it in a temporary recycle bin. This gives you a window of time defined by a retention period you configure to recover that blob if it was deleted by mistake or due to an unexpected issue. You can bring it back quickly without losing your data or workflow continuity. Similarly, when you delete an entire container, Azure gives you the ability to restore not just the container, but also all the blobs it held. This is a powerful safeguard, especially if you are managing large datasets or using containers to organize resources by project. If a container is removed unintentionally, you can recover the full structure and data within your set retention period, helping you avoid costly data loss or downtime. Let's get on the Azure portal and see this in action. Let me walk you through what you're seeing on this data protection page for Azure Storage account. Enable soft delete for blobs. When you check this box, you're telling Azure to retain deleted blobs in a recoverable state for a set number of days. So even if someone deletes or overwrites a blob by accident, you can bring it back, just like restoring from a recycle bin. You specify how long Azure should keep the deleted blobs using the field labeled Keep Deleted Blobs for in days. In this example, it's set to 7 days. Use this to protect critical files or ensure recovery from accidental deletions. Enable soft delete for containers. This setting works the same way but at the container level. When enabled, deleted containers, including all their blobs, aren't lost immediately. They can be recovered within the specified period. Here, it's also set to 7 days. This is especially helpful if you are organizing storage by project or department and want to avoid losing an entire container due to a mistake. To activate these protections, check both boxes for blobs and containers. Enter the number of days you want Azure to retain the deleted items, between 1 to 365. Click Save at the bottom of the page. You are now on the Containers page of Azure Storage account, where you can manage both active and deleted containers, provided you've enabled soft delete for containers. To reach this view, navigate to Storage Accounts. Select your storage account and in the left-hand menu under Data Storage, click on Containers. This brings you to the screen where you can see all your containers listed. At the top right, you'll notice a drop-down menu that controls what containers are shown. By default, it's set to only show active containers, which means you'll only see containers that are currently available and in use. But if you want to recover a deleted container, you'll need to switch this setting to show active and deleted containers. Once you make that change, you'll see containers marked with a deleted status in red. These are containers that were removed but are still within their retention period. This simple view gives you full control over container visibility and recovery. It's especially helpful when you are troubleshooting accidental deletions or validating that your soft delete configuration is working as intended. You're now looking at the Undelete Container menu for a previously deleted container in Azure Storage account. This screen appears when you select a soft deleted container, like My Data, and choose Undelete from the right-hand side. In the right-hand panel, you can see the container name pre-field, in this case, My Data. This panel allows you to confirm that you're about to bring this exact container back to life. You don't need to reconfigure anything. The container's name, structure, and contents will be recovered as they were before deletion, as long as it's within the configured soft delete retention period. To complete the restoration, simply click the Save button at the bottom. If you change your mind, hit Cancel to exit without restoring. This feature is incredibly helpful when you are recovering from an accidental container deletion, and it gives you a fast, no-code way to bring your storage back to normal.